program. You are all welcome, my beautiful and lovely ladies, and then the men later, because the world is now coming to the women. You are all welcome to this great occasion. We should glorify God for giving us the opportunity to be part of this program. It is long overdue. We know what has been happening to the country. Those we entrusted the country to have failed us. Several times we've seen that a lot of things have been happening. Farmers can no longer go to the farm. Children are out of school. There are strikes all over. Food security is zero. The country is no more united like it should be. We have been divided with a lot of things that makes it impossible for unity in this country. But with the mark of TNM, we should thank God that we have a good mobilizer. We have seen his antecedents when he was in Kano, when he was a minister, various offices that he held in Kano too. We have seen him at the federal level, how he coordinated the military. And during his time, there was no rancor like this. They respected him up to this moment because their dues are given to them. Whatever assignment he's been assigned, he does it diligently. He is committed. He has accountability. He is humble, humility, all the greatest quality you are looking for in a leader. I think our engineer Comforto has it. We are to mobilize ourselves now and work tirelessly. This is the front, a formidable front that will salvage this country. Democracy will be restored, and we are sure we have tested and trusted him. He has worked tirelessly. We can see how our children were trained abroad. A lot of things have gone on. I'm urging everybody here seated. Our parents have supported him through the previous things that he has done. And up to this moment, he hasn't changed. There are some people who are in position of authority. When they get the position, you can't get there. Like the present administration we're having and other ones. There is no unity, only